Can you guys believe it's 2021 and some of us are still Zooming along the way? That's all right. That's okay. We got it and we're going to keep going. So I'm going to show you guys how to put a worksheet into Nearpod using the Draw It feature. So the first thing you're going to do is come over to the right of your screen and click Create. You'll see the drop down and it says Lessons. Click Lessons. All right, we're going to come right here and click Add a Slide. Go to the Activities tab and click Draw It. The first thing you're going to want to do is insert your directions. I'm doing an adding worksheet, so I'm just going to put solve. All right, now this is where you get your background image. It needs to be a PDF or a picture. So click Upload Background Image. You can get it directly from your device, from the Google Drive, from Dropbox, or Microsoft Cloud. You even have the option of getting it directly from Google using the search bar here. My image is already in my device, so I'm going to click here. You can't see it, but it opened all my files. So I'm going to click on my adding worksheet and hit open. All right, so my worksheet is in the Nearpod. Once I get it here, I can delete it clicking the little trash can. I can zoom out or I can zoom on in. All right, so I'm gonna leave it like this and then I'm going to hit save. All right, let's say we want to put a title slide. Go ahead and click Add Slide again. Stay here and click Slide. It's an adding worksheet, so I'm just going to put adding. For this, I'm going to click and get my picture straight from Google. Let's do adding clip art. This one's cute. I'm going to use this one. And save. All right, so it's adding the clip art image that we just uploaded. I'm going to go ahead and click save and exit. It'll put the image in there once it loads it. All right, so you always have the option of moving your slides around once they're here in the Nearpod. So I'm going to put this one first because it's my title slide. I'm going to change the name. Let's make it adding 3 because it looks like I have it adding 2. And hit save. So you have made the Nearpod. Now, when it's time for you to use the Nearpod, you have to be able to get it to your students. So you come to the activity. If it's homework or something they're going to do on their own, click Student Paste. You're going to copy the link, copy, and you're going to copy the code. And you're going to put it wherever you use it. Class Dojo, Google Classroom, Canvas, whatever platform you use is where you want to put the code for Student Paste and the URL as well. Let's say you're using it in class. Come and hover right back over it. Click Live Participation. Again, same thing. Copy the code and copy the URL. And I always put mine into the Zoom chat for everyone to see. And my scholars are able to hop right into it. So if you see here, you can't really see it, but there's a 0 right here, and that tells you how many of your scholars are already in the Nearpod. I give a countdown. 10 kids are in the Nearpod. I need 6 more scholars to get into this Nearpod with me, and they'll hop right in. So this is where the title page will be if it ever loads. So once you start, this is live and it's teacher paced, so it's not going to move unless you move it by clicking. Well, you guys saw me click it just a second ago, so you can move it back. But yes, the teacher's controlling it. So what happens once you get here is all of their pictures will pop up. And once they hit submit, you can see what they've done as soon as they hit submit. You can tell them, you can redirect them, tell them to do it again, or tell them to look back over their work. And from this page, you can go to the next page and the next page because it's a teacher-led Nearpod. So you have successfully put your worksheet into Draw It. Good job.